What's up, Mustang people? Welcome to my channel. It's Low 3 Valve here with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to install smoke turn signals. So guys, the tools you're gonna need are soapy water, the smoke turn signals, the squeegee, and a microfiber towel. In my opinion, you should get the big one because you can use both sides to dry it and to wet it. So guys, here's a little preview. This is the side that doesn't have the turn signal. There you go. So we come to this side. I did this side first to see how it come out, and it actually makes a huge difference. It makes it look so much aggressive. I mean, look at this. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is get your soapy water and spray all over the lens. And then after that, just clean them with a microfiber towel. Well guys, here's the final result. Wow, damn boy, looking good. This only costs $20, so if you guys want an easy mod and something affordable, these turn signals make a huge difference on the car. It's so much aggressive, and it matches the fog light deletes. Because my plan with this car is to be blacked out, so that's why I bought the turn signals. So here you go, man. Hopefully you like this video. Like I said, really affordable mod. Just $20 at American Muscle. Makes your car look so much aggressive. And if you guys can please give it a big thumbs up on this video. Comment down below your thoughts. And see you in the next video.